Alright, now I'm gonna teach you how to make slime with the glue stick. And this will be really so this is all you have to do. All you have to do is Makai, can you give me that grease?
This?
Mm-hmm.
You brought a new one.
I need it.
I need a bigger one.
So now, I need to open it up, put it on the thing, and then let's see, you have to just do this, and stick your hand just the bottom, and then you have to look at this. So now let's go over here. So now your hair looks like this. I'm gonna just put some more in the new spot.
I was pin tapping. Oh my! Y'all wanna see my pin tapping?
No, I'm teaching them how to make slime.
Well, why you doing it right here?
Cause I need the counter.
Well, you could just put it on that little thing, and then get another chair and do that.
Can you give me a chair? Cause I can't get chairs. You remember? And then your hand will look like this, and then you could just pull. Start pulling good. Go put it in a room. So guys, go put it in a. Oh yeah, just put it right there. But I need the makeup bag.
We'll record it too.
Yeah, we both not recording. And it's okay. So, oh, give me my glue.
You need the counter.
Huh?
You need the counter.
Yes. And I need this open. I need something to hold it. Cause this is how I see. Give me that stuff right there.
What?
That. And put it behind here.
Yes.
Put it behind there.
I'm gonna need this too.
No, because no, I'm not. I just need something to hold it like this so I can see if it's vlogging or not. Cause see, this is how I can see what I'm doing. Like what I'm doing. That's how I can see what I'm doing. Okay. So then.
I can see what I'm doing.
And if y'all let it dry,
you can see what you're doing through the mirror right there. Look.
So I can you just keep this closed. So y'all wanna see? So all y'all gotta do is, if y'all let it dry for a little bit, it will be easier if y'all let it dry. So I had let it dry. I was getting up the setup. So I just figured out, y'all wanna know how I could do more vlogs? Oh my god, and I got my YouTube on this. So and I'm gonna start doing more YouTube videos. I'm gonna start putting out YouTube videos more because I never got time to do YouTube videos because I thought my tablet was broken, but it really wasn't. So it was just dead the whole time. So yeah, so that's how I could do these videos now. So I knew that I just figured out that all it needed was to be charged. Let me see if the camera on. I just was checking something. So it is working. Look. What's that? I'm out here. And you would not want nothing to get like on here.
And I got my YouTube on this. So, and I'm gonna start doing more YouTube videos. I'm gonna start putting out YouTube videos more.
So,
I never got time to do YouTube videos because I thought my talent was good, but it wasn't.
so I'm about to get some more right now.
I just did the whole time. So yeah.
So, like I said, it was just dead, like the whole entire time. So I'm gonna start like doing more videos, like dress up videos and choose this and choose that, because as I know,
Dang! I know how to pen tab.
give me my glue. Where the glue at?
You wanna see it?
Where my glue at? So I'm coming right back. Oh, it's never mind. So I'm about to put some more. Wait, let me show you. It's on the counter. Let me zoom in first, and then I'll show you.